Tungsten sheets are widely used in important structural materials and heating components of various ultra-high temperature heating furnaces. Molybdenum has a melting point of 2623 degrees Celsius. The main processing procedures of molybdenum sheet with low thermal expansion coefficient and good thermal conductivity are extrusion, forging and rolling. Because tantalum is resistant to corrosion and high temperature, tantalum sheet are often used to make heating parts, heat insulation parts and charging vessels of vacuum blast furnaces.